Hello friends, it's me AK and today I am going to show you 10 most expensive mobile phones in this whole world. So let's start. On number 10 is Virtu Signature Diamond, which is of $88,300, which is a very big amount. As it is clear from name of mobile phone Virtu Signature Diamond, so it is most expensive mobile phones because its price is very high, which is about $88,300. But this mobile device is not so much advanced because it has no special feature and its high price does not depend upon its feature but its diamond color, which looks amazing in hand. So it is special made for rich persons because it is on someone ego. So this mobile phone is made up of platinum and it is claimed by the maker of this phone with hand with assemble process because made of hand not machine. So due to its high price, company made it only 200 pieces of this mobile phone. Can you believe this? So next one is iPhone Princess Plus, which is of $176,400. Can you believe this? You can buy a home with this one. As it is also famous that mobile phones of Apple are already expensive all over the world because of their special specification and features. They use operating system instead of Android. As name of this mobile phone iPhone Princess Plus, this device is also like a princess because it is so beauty and elegant to watch and use, but it is not so much different from all other iPhone that make it top expensive mobile phone in the world. Due to its price, which is $176,400, it is most expensive mobile device as this designed by Peter Ellison. That mobile is made up of 180 cut diamond and 138 cut of princess, and these diamonds are very special qualities. Can you believe this? It is so amazing. On number 8 is Black Diamond VIP and smartphone, which is of $3 lakh. You can buy a full home with this money. So Black Diamond VIP and smartphone is made by famous mobile company Sony Ericsson, which is in the top list of most expensive mobile as this mobile is made of Go and it is considered as most stylish mobile by this company. So it has also many features like polycarbonate mirror detailing and organic LED technology is used in this because when the name of Sony comes, nobody can able to challenge screen of this mobile. But its mainly price is due to its two diamonds, which one is one navigation button and other is on the back of device. So price of this mobile phone is $3 lakh, which is much expensive. On number 7 is Virtu Signature Cobra, which price is $3,10,000. Can you believe this? So Virtu Signature Cobra mobile phone, as it is clear from its name, it has something like Cobra, which includes in design of this phone. So that is its slides, which are like of Cobra. So it is includes in its name as well. So this draped edge slides is made of 409 pure rubies and two beautiful emeralds like shape of eye. So this masterpiece is also installed into a special cover which is also like a protector for this special device. So this phone is also made for rich people who has to go in many high profile meeting and parties. So this will able them to increase their popularity. So next one is Grace Luxor Las Vegas Jackpot, which is price is $1 million. Really? So there is no need to introduce this Grace Luxor Las Vegas jackpot mobile device because it is in its name that it will so much expensive mobile. So name of this device accurately describe the price of this masterpiece, which is about $1 million, as it is first mobile who reaches this price in mobile phones. It is made of many pledged diamond, which is not enough to make it unique and expensive, but its price is mainly due to bleached African wood that is about 200 years old and much expensive as gold or diamond. So it is also beautiful keyboard, but this mobile phone has no much more specification. Next one is Diamond Crypto smartphone, which price is $1 million. Do you know that $1 million? It's awesome. Diamond Crypto smartphone is also specifically made for rich and high profile people who just use this type of expensive mobile to got attention and to their personality, because price of this mobile phone is about more than $1 million, which is about $1.3 million. Therefore, it is most expensive mobile phone because power encryption technology is used in this device. So it is mostly used for the protection of information because it is more secure mobile device to secure information. It is made of a pure and solid platinum of 18 karat gold navigation key, in which 28 cuts are here. And next one is, which is fourth one, Goldfish Le Million, which price is $1.3 million. This mobile is my favorite one because its look is gorgeous. So Goldfish Le Million mobile phone, as it has name in which gold and million is used, so it is as much expensive as this is clear in its name, as this mobile device is made and manufactured by great designer Emmanuel Guet, and this device is launched in beautiful country Switzerland. This mobile is made of special and pure white gold of 18 karat, which is installed with VVS 1 graded diamond of 120 karat. As it is so special mobile device, so only 100 pieces of this mobile is made by company because it is only made of special request. So in back 2006, a great businessman of Russia bought this special beautiful mobile for 1 million euros, and his name also wrote in World Guinness Book of Purchasing. Can you believe this? Next one means third one on number third is iPhone 3G Kings button, which price is $1.5 million. This mobile is made by Apple company. I'll know that. iPhone 3G Kings button is also most expensive mobile phone and on third position in list of most expensive mobile phones, as it is in name that is button, which means home button, which is made of high quality 6.6 karat diamond that gives more beauty to this mobile phone and considered as most luxurious phone. Instead of all this material, it is also made of pure 18 karat yellow gold, white as well as rose gold. There it is expensive mobile phones device, as price of this beautiful luxurious mobile phone ID about $1.5 million. So its price is mainly due to diamonds, which are 138, and also its home beautiful diamond button, which gives it so much graceful look. So next one, which is on number second, is iPhone 5 Black Diamond. Price is $15.3 million. Oh my god. And iPhone 5 Black Diamond, as all of us know that iPhone devices are expensive, but this mobile device is most expensive with so much expensive rate, that is $15.3 million, and second in rank for most expensive mobile phone devices, as we know that black diamond are rarest in this world that are used in this mobile phone. So price of this device is also like that of black diamond, which is second highest in the world. So instead of black diamond, other type of diamonds are used in this device. Gold, diamonds and many other expensive stones which are rare used this device that make it popular. So first one on number first is Falcon Supernova Pink Diamond iPhone 6, which price is $95.5 million. Really? Falcon Supernova Pink Diamond iPhone 6 is a latest model which is also most expensive mobile device and first rank in this list, which is under discussion. So this device do not have so many diamonds which are on this device as in all devices as discussed, but only one huge 18 karat diamond which is able to catch the eye of somebody on it is in this device, which is of two color that are pink or maybe blue, but it is mainly says that diamond is of pink color. Cheaper design of this mobile devices also has more than $48 million price, so it is name also clear its price, which is $95.5 million. Hey friends, if you like my video then please like, share and subscribe my channel, which is time for everything. And thanks for your support, and for more videos keep watching.